Hello guys, today I came to Jubilee River, just outside of London. It's looking very nice, sun is shining. I will try to catch some fish here. I never fished here before, but let's hope to catch some fish. So sit back, relax, and let's see how it goes. I got my 2 feeders with me. I'll just mix some bait. I got some swim stim that are in a green ground bait. Then I got Gusta special ground bait for carp, and I got some big fish explosive caster. I'll just add some water. Okay, that's it. It's looking nice. Okay guys, got my Deeper Chirp fish finder. As I never fished this river before, I'll just do a few casts and see how it's looking like. I hope I don't lose it today. Wow, it's 5 meters deep. Ooh, showing lots of fish. Yes guys, that's what I'm looking for. 5 meters deep, bottom looks very clear, and it's showing plenty of fish. I'm not sure what fish they are, but it's looking good so far. I need to catch some of them. Yes guys, it's looking better than ever. Showing so many fish. If I blank today, that will be impossible. Alright, it looks very nice. I'll just get my rods ready and start fishing. Okay, got one rod ready. On this one I will use a method feeder with pellets. So let's cast it out and see if anything bites. Yes guys. Okay guys, my other rod ready. I'm just using my big feeder on this one, full of ground bait, and I got some worms on the hook. Let's cast it out. Okay, both my rods out. Let's see if I can get any fish. Maybe I'll get my kayak next time.
It's beautiful. See you later.
You too. Okay guys, got a bite. Think I got some fish. Yes guys, fish on. Good stuff. Yes guys, lovely perch. It's quite a big one. I got a first fish. It's a beautiful perch. Quite a nice one. Very nice. Let's let it go. Yes, there it goes. Good stuff. Got a fish. Had a lovely perch. Was very nice. It's about lunchtime. I will fire up my barbecue. Getting hungry. Let's see what I got for today. Okay, let's fire it up. Okay, my barbecue's heating up quite good. Today I'll have a beef sizzle steaks Very nice thin steaks. And I got some potatoes wrapped in foil. I'll grill it on the charcoal. And I got some spring onions and dill. Okay, let's get the steaks on the grill. Yes guys, now we're cooking. The steaks looking nice. Careful, yeah, I got my rods here, I'm fishing. You need to go to other side. Stop. I got my line there, you see, I got a fish. You need to go around on the other side. Okay, no, you're right now. Got a big fish. Yes, guys, got something big. Did it come off? It did, of course. It took my hook as well. Okay, guys, I had a big fish, but it took my hook and it's gone away. But anyway, let's have my nice barbecue. My steak's ready. I got a crispy potato, spring onions, and a dill. Let's give it a go. Yes, guys, couldn't be better. I'll give it 10 out of 10. Okay, I'll just finish the food off and I'll see you in a second. Got a bite? Got a bite, guys? Let's give it another cast. Okay guys, caught a nice roach, lovely fish, very nice. I'll just let it go. Yes, there it goes. Yes guys, had one perch, one roach, and one big fish got away with my hook. It was very nice day and nice barbecue. I enjoyed it a lot. But it's time to pack up and get back home. So thanks for watching, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers guys!